Why is it so hot today? Why is it so hot today? The sun is intense today. The sun is intense today. What shoe size do you wear? What shoe size do you wear? I wear size 42 shoes. I wear size 42 shoes. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? I am feeling very depressed. I am feeling very depressed. Where are you now? Where are you now? I am at home now. I am at home now. Do you have plans this weekend? Do you have plans this weekend? Yes, I will visit my grandfather. Yes, I will visit my grandfather. Do you like art museums? Do you like art museums? Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums. Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums. What do you like doing in class? What do you like doing in class? I like the group project activities. I like the group project activities. Are you free now? Are you free now? No, I am a little busy. No, I am a little busy. Is it raining now? Is it raining now? Yes, take an umbrella. Yes, take an umbrella. How many minutes do you have for the presentation? How many minutes do you have for the presentation? I have 10 minutes. I have 10 minutes. Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? It is John's phone. It is John's phone. Where did you go last night? Where did you go last night? I went to a friend's house. I went to a friend's house. Where do you practice English today? Where do you practice English today? I practice at the language center. I practice at the language center. Do you work as a nurse? Do you work as a nurse? No, I work in factory. No, I work in factory. When will you go to the restaurant? When will you go to the restaurant? I will go there tonight. I will go there tonight. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? Yes, here is the menu. Yes, here is the menu. Do you enjoy the holiday atmosphere? Do you enjoy the holiday atmosphere? Yes, it feels warm and cheerful. Yes, it feels warm and cheerful. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? It is on the sofa. It is on the sofa. Do you like gardening? Do you like gardening? Yes, I grow flowers at home. Yes, I grow flowers at home. Hello, may I see Mr. Wilson? Hello, may I see Mr. Wilson? Yes, he is in his office. Yes, he is in his office. How was your holiday? How was your holiday? It was relaxing and fun. It was relaxing and fun. Will you be late today? Will you be late today? No, I will arrive on time. No, I will arrive on time. Which pet do you like best? Which pet do you like best? I like dogs the most. I like dogs the most. Should I go to the store? Should I go to the store? Yes, we need some milk. Yes, we need some milk. Is this your dog? Is this your dog? Yes, his name is Max. Yes, his name is Max. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I would like to grab a cup of coffee. I would like to grab a cup of coffee.